Hi everyone, this is Mark DB. In this video we are going to learn about the CSS grid and especially about the gaps. So the gaps are basically spaces between the vertical and horizontal lines. The vertical lines are mainly the column gaps, and the horizontal lines are basically the row gaps. So for those two we have two properties called column gap, and we can set it to 15 pixel, for example. As you can see that this property have created a space between the vertical lines of our grid. Okay, it's called column gap, while the row gap would create space between our grid horizontal lines, which called row gaps. Okay, so basically this is the column gap and row gap, and we have one that could be written instead of those two, which is called gap, and we can set if they both are equal. If the column and row gap are equal, we can set it like there, and if they are different, we are going to set 20 and 10. For example, as you can see that it took first the row gap, then the second value is the column gap. Basically, this is everything about gaps. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.